Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to one more vlog. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Urmila. So today is Raksha Bandhan, so happy Raksha Bandhan to everybody. My brother is coming to meet me. Of course, I'm gonna tie Rakhi to my brother and he's gonna come here. So I thought I'll just vlog the entire day. It's gonna be a day out with my brother kind of a vlog. Yeah, if you can't tell already, I got a fresh new haircut. I went really short this time and I kind of like short hair on me. So yeah, and my hair feels much more healthier now. I've already freshened up and I'm done with my shower. So now let's go get ready and get started with the day. So I'm gonna show my outfit. So this is the outfit that I'm gonna wear. I'm keeping it really basic, cute peplum top, and also I want to pair it with the black leggings. Very simple, but I want to be really cute as well. So it's gonna be a kind of Indo-Western outfit. Let's go get ready and meet my brother. I'm almost done with getting ready, so I think I just need to brush my hair a little bit. So yeah. I love my haircut though. It did suit me a lot. I should have vlogged yesterday when I went for haircut. I did not vlog much, but I have few clips, so I'll just add them here. So yeah, I think, shall we add bindi for this look? This is how my hair looks. I think it's pretty decent. And I'll just show you this with the clutch also. Is it looking pretty? I can't see, but yeah. So for perfume, let's do the Victoria's Secret Bombshell and layer it with this Sol de Janeiro perfume. Okay. So good. This perfume does not last long. I've spent a lot on this, but it's not worth it. If you want a full review about this video, I have already made a full review on my Instagram, so you can check that out. So I think we are good. Should I do gloss or let's just keep it matte? Okay, my brother is waiting downstairs. I think we should quickly go. So this is the bag that I'm carrying today and it's pretty cute. I hope you can see it. Let's go. My brother's waiting. First, I'm gonna go buy some Rakhis and then go to Theobroma, and I guess I'll take some brownie or cupcake. Hi, Jeppu. Manchi cheppa. ఎందుకు పిగ్గా శ్వేత డైలీ జిమ్కి వెళ్తుంది. ఐ థింక్ వీ కెన్ టేక్ దిస్. ఓకే, బాగానే ఉన్నాయి, నో బ్యాడ్. లెట్స్ గో. ఇంకేం తీసుకున్నావా? వద్దా టెడ్ బేర్? అది ఇక్కడ ఉంటాయి చూడు. స్లింగ్ బ్యాగ్ అయితే వేసుకుంటాయి. డిఫరెంట్గా షోల్డర్ బ్యాగ్ వేసుకుంటుంది లేదు తెలీదు. వాలెట్ తీసుకుందామా?
బాగుందా?
చూపిస్తా. ఇవ్వ వేసుకోవాలి. ఏది తీసుకుందాం? ఇది కూడా బాగానే ఉంది కానీ వేసుకుంటున్నా. ఇది ఇది స్లింగ్ లాగా వస్తుందా? క్రాస్ బాడీ వేసుకోవచ్చా? అమ్మ ఇది 35K. ఓ మై గాడ్.
అది రాజ్కోట్ ఫోటోలా.
ఓకే. ఈ డ్రెస్ మెటీరియల్స్ ప్రైస్ ఏముంది మరి?
499 పర్ మీటర్.
ఓకే ఓకే, పర్ మీటరా ఇది? సో సెట్ అయితే రాదు.
సెట్ అయితే
సాయి, షుడ్ వి టేక్ దిస్? అడగాలి, ఎవరు తీసుకుంటారు 35K? నో వన్ విల్ టేక్ దట్ శారీ. నో, షీ వోంట్. ఓకే, సక్సెస్ఫుల్లీ వి గాట్ నథింగ్. ఏమైనా కొన్నావా ఆ కుకీస్ తప్ప? లెట్స్ గో గెట్ సమ్ రాఖీస్. నువ్వు షుగర్ తినకుండా నువ్వు యూ కెన్ నెవర్ డూ దాట్. I got earrings. Happy Raksha Bandhan చెప్పు.
Happy Raksha Bandhan.
It's raining. This is my outfit. ఇది కొనడానికి వచ్చావా ఇప్పుడు?
Not bad.
Okay, not bad. I think this t-shirt is good. I don't think so you have anything like this.
Yeah, I want to like these stripes.
Vertical stripes. Mom, this is good. Oh, this. చెప్పు మళ్ళీ. చెప్పట్లేదు. This is where we grew up. ముందు లేకుంటుంది కదా అది? నీకేమైనా డిఫరెన్స్ అనిపిస్తుందా ముందుకు ఇప్పటికి?
చాలా.
మొత్తం ఆరెంజ్ వేసేసారు ఆంజనేయ. ఓ, ఇది లేకుండా కదా ముందు? మొన్న లాస్ట్ టైం రాఖీకా వచ్చాం. మనతో పాటు లక్షణ ఇంకెవరు వచ్చింది? జెస్సీ వచ్చింది. ఇదంతా గట్టు, ఇదంతా అలానే ఉంది. I selected these 3 but we are still looking.
రాఖీ వైట్స్.
Surprise! Hello, it's the next day. I couldn't vlog yesterday. Like, I did not end up vlogging a lot yesterday, but I do have little snippets that you just saw. I mean, it's just not so easy to vlog. Oh my god, it's just not easy. Like, you just need to remember every time that you need to take your camera and just start shooting. And maybe I'm not used to vlogging that much. That's the reason I couldn't really vlog. And the other thing, honestly, I did not have much time to just vlog. It was just raining yesterday. I think I need to, get that habit of vlogging. I promise I will get better. Not bad. And the other reason I couldn't vlog much, I think I'm not comfortable vlogging around public yet. I'm really not comfortable. They just keep staring at us, right? Have you guys had your lunch? And let me know in the comments how you guys celebrated your Rakhi and what all gifts you got. I'm literally working after 4 days. I just don't feel like working at all. I think it's everyone's problem, right? If there is a long weekend. I think coming week also we have a long weekend. I mean 25th or 26th, it's holiday for us. Okay, then I'll complete my lunch. Such a beautiful sky today. I came for walking upstairs. Oh my god, look at the sky, so beautiful. I think it's gonna be a beautiful sunset today. Not sure if I'll continue this vlog today and tomorrow, but anyways, I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I did not do my best, but I've tried how much ever I can. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you're liking this kind of vlogs, because I know vlogs are not my thing and I will get used to it. Yeah, I think that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video.